Are you dealing with unexpected heat? Whether it's a temporary cooling solution for a special event, emergency cooling for critical operations, or keeping your facility running smoothly during equipment repairs, Paratus Rentals has you covered. With 24/7 support and access to 24 depots nationwide, we're ready to deliver the air conditioning equipment you need, wherever you are in the country. Our extensive inventory includes commercial ACs ranging from 25 to 80 tons with high static options, vertical tank units up to 30 tons, and high-performance air handler units that pair seamlessly with our air-cooled chillers, offering powerful, flexible solutions for any cooling challenge. From industrial needs to commercial spaces, Paratus Rentals is your trusted partner for reliable AC rentals. Experience unparalleled service, tailored solutions, and peace of mind knowing we're here when you need us most. Paratus Rentals, your cooling solution. Anytime, anywhere.